Wait, wait, wait.
Go.
Flaming tank. Whee! Hit tayo.
Warning, this is completely nonsense. Made by Clarence almost. Warning, Clarence is being stupid again and again and again. Observe how he is being beaten up by zombies and tanks. He's very 100% stupid. And now he is cheap again.
Help me!
Whoa! Look at the party people, yeah. Party people, yeah. Uy, tapos lagyan natin ang kanta party people.
Upload ko to.
Dance.
Scrotter
He is
mode.
being thrown like a paper.
Ano? Ilaw?
Look at the flaming tanks. Yes, look at how the player plays.
Video ka ba to?
Look how the tank is playing.
Ah.
Now he's doing the cheat again. And again.
Tama na ako yan.
Now observe how he's being beaten up. Now.
Harakan mo ko.
Roar!
Let's play here.
Look at the burning tanks. Clarence? Yeah. Run, tanks, run! Ako sound effects.
Flaming tanks.
Look at the tank's face.
Bakit?
It is very ugly. Look at his face. He's freaking ugly. Roar! Look at the tank. He is very ugly. How can a man be so big but has a small head? It's impossible.